Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome back. So in this video we are going to understand the LeetCode problem number 2833. It's a furthest point from the origin. So we'll understand what the question is saying. That very first the question says that you have given a string of length n. It is a move as a string name and consists of either the left, right and underscore as a character. Okay, so if you are struggling with this problem, right, and you are not able to find the furthest point from the origin, right, so this problem looks little tricky because the solution is literally one line. So let me show you how to solve the fastest way and we can crack this problem in an interview, because it looks easy but it's not, it's a little tricky. Okay, the very first thing that we have given this a string, these are the character we have given in the string, right, left, right and underscore. Okay, so each character means left means we have to move left. Okay, right means we have to move right. And what does it mean the underscore? Underscore means if you choose either position, either left or right. So don't think about this time for this one. You just think that you will start the position at 0 and then you will understand how far we have to go from the origin. Okay, so let me break down this problem so you will understand easily. Okay, the very first thing, that ignore this underscore. Just think about this LR and ignore this one. Okay, why I'm saying that? Just for a second. Okay, and track only the fixed move with the left and right. Okay, so when left we move, right, we'll just say -1, because see, if this is origin, right, you know the origin 0 and here will come a +1, here will come a -1, here will come 2 and -2 and so on. We have to go, right? So if we will move this side, we'll say -1. If we'll move right side, we'll say +1. And for the underscore, ignore for now, right? So we have to track only the fixed move. These are the fixed move, guys, right? Okay, so let's think about this problem, right? How many left we have here? So we found that L is 2 times coming and right is coming also 2 times. So let's suppose if left will move two times and right will move 2 times, it means if they will be cancel out, right? What will happen? It will cancel out, we can say that, right? It means we will be at the position 0 here, correct, right? So now comes a twist. We come to 0, but the answer is not 0, right? It's 3, because you still have these 3 underscore, 1 here and 2 here, right? How many underscore is there? 3 underscores is there, right? You still have 3 underscore, means 3 flexible moves we have left, right? Because the question says that move left if you found left, move right if you move right, or this is in the both cases. If you're finding underscore, you can move left also. You are finding underscore, you can go to right also, right? Means these 3 underscores are we have given, and these are 3 flexible moves. Either you can go left and right. Now where should we go? Where should these underscores should go? This side, left side or right side? That you have to think. Just pause this and think, where should it go? So our goal is to go far from this 0. This is origin. Either you go far from here, either you go far from here, doesn't matters, right? If your goal is to go far from the 0, that is origin, right, you push everything in one direction. Either you will push in this direction or either you will push in this direction. You will not do that. Okay, I have 3, so 1 I will go left and 1 I will go right. Again you will come to this 0 and then you will go to -1 or +1. So either you will stuck at here or here. So you cannot do that. Better you do in one direction. You push everything either in the left direction or either in the right direction, right? because all left or are right, these are the or, right, or all left or are all right. So doesn't matters which, but just pick one side. All those three, it will be become plus 3 as a distance, right? So 3 blanks equal to 3 plus we can take. So the final answer becomes is what we will say that, I'm writing here, we'll say that, okay, how we will find the final answer? This is very simple. How many right you have, how many left you have, you take the mod plus number of blanks or the flexible moves, right? These are nothing but 3 blanks, right? Blanks. So you already know. So 2 minus 2 plus 3 is what? Is 3. This is your answer. That's it. No simulation, no complexity, just count and compute. This is what we have to do, guys. So this is your answer. This is the main thing you have, right? So you keep in a notes of this, either you can comment out so you can understand. Let me show you the code so you will understand clearly. Okay. So see guys, what you have done. Very first we have the left and right and blank. So number of moves we have to find, either left, right and the blank, right? We know that these 3 characters are there, so we'll do the count, and this is the given string is there. So for very first you will convert into the 2-char array, so each character you will track. So very first you will check the character is coming is left, increase left, other increase right, otherwise increase the blank. Now you just need to do math, right minus left and do the blanks, right? And you will have the answer. This is what we were talking about, right? Means number of right means number of left in the given moves and the number of blanks. So take the blanks as a positive, right? So we'll return. So it doesn't matter which side you have to move, but we should go in one direction. So think about, like, you already have some imbalance, right? So let's suppose we have 3 moves in the right and 2 moves in here. So 3 minus 2 is 1 and some blanks is there. Let's suppose 2 blanks is there, then we'll do plus 2, means 1 plus 2 is 3, right? Like that you can also say. So underscore gives you a freedom, right, where you can move. So you just imply the imbalance. That's a greedy idea, guys, and don't try brute force for all the combinations, and we also don't try to do the simulation decision step by step. That will give you over complications and you will stuck with the problem, because this is a very simple problem. So if you like this video, guys, you are starting to see this pattern. So this pattern is based on maximize absolute value with the flexible choices. So drop a comment if you want more DSA problem like this, and subscribe for the clean and no BS explanation, and I'll talk you more in upcoming videos. So please subscribe this video, and if you're still stuck with DSA preparation, you can join my online classes where I teach in a structured way, and you will feel better in some months. That's all I have in this video, guys. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one.